So we have Mr. J.B. Banks here in the kitchen.
Thinking about going with Austin these days, everybody. So just so everybody
Mr.
knows
Austin
that,
Banks.
like,
Excuse me.
sometimes you have to make these transformations. And so today I'm just cooking something really simple. And you know, since it's going to be really simple, like I just got some string beans that I'm going to saute. I got some mushrooms. I got some soy sauce. I got some onions in the plate. Like, I'm going to do this in a lot of different phases. I'm going to roast some potatoes in here. They're already boiling. I just got something real simple. I'm just cooking it in some, like some chicken fat, stuff like that. I know that doesn't sound as appealing, but you use less salt when you're just cooking in that. You cooks know that. I'm just a at-home kind of guy. But I love to do this stuff. And then, of course, I have some chicken in the refrigerator that's marinating. So, again, today we're going to be cooking. We're going to be doing this. You already know what it is. On This Is How We Do It. I got music that's going to be coming to this station. I got all types of shit. I mean, excuse me, even that. So, we'll be right back soon. I got plenty to do, plenty to cook. More to come. Y'all better stay tuned. It's going to be hot. We'll see you soon. Thank you.
And we're back.
Oh, it's you guys again. So, since you've been gone, I've done a little bit more prep, and you all know how important this stuff is. I just did these potatoes. Again, they don't look that appealing right now, but they will. I'm going to go ahead and put some basic salt and pepper on here. You already know what it is. I mean, y'all know how to cook, but the basis of all this stuff is just salt, pepper, a little bit of garlic, that kind of thing. I'm roasting this stuff today, and then I'm gonna take about 10 minutes to put these in. And look, we're all trying to lose some poundage. Look at this thing. It's coming down, I guarantee it. You don't know it, but I guarantee it's coming down. I'm already doing push-ups just like this shit. I'm doing one hand. Anyway, you get it. So, you know, you gotta try to do as much as you can in the kitchen while you're cooking. I got just the basic stuff. We're all on this health kick. And these are quick, easy meals, 30 minutes or less. Chicken's gonna take about 15. This is gonna take about maybe 10 or 15. And this is gonna take about 10, 15, but that ain't but 10 or 15 minutes altogether. So I need y'all to stay with me on this thing. Again, all of this is gonna be, I'm just gonna transform this thing, man. This thing is gonna be exciting. I'm not talking about anybody else. I'm just gonna be doing my own cooking, my own show. We already gonna be having a bunch of fun. More to come later on this afternoon. Next, we're gonna be doing probably these green beans. And as you already know, I'm preparing that because I'm still working, but I'm on break. And you know, when you're working and on break, you just try to maximize everything that you can. You know, everybody get a 15-minute break. So we're gonna be back. Watch what I tell you. Take care. Okay. Great. So again, as I told y'all before, so I'm gonna shake this up a little bit and go ahead and turn this over. You know, it's just getting cooked done, but you can see how juicy it is. You know, see that juice in there? It's kind of like got some flavors, all that kind of stuff. But I'm just gonna throw this back into the air fryer. Again, we're feeding 3 people tonight. Real easy. 375. Cooking for a little bit longer. I told you about my string beans. Look at these suckers. They're just cooking right along. And I'm just, man, I got them suckers cooking nice, steaming. Look at that. You start to smell that ginger, and those onions are all mixed up in there. There's all types of good stuff. Just kind of cover that up. And then we're gonna continue to make it work. As you can see, that good garlic, good color, good spice in there. You see that blackening color in there from the pepper. And again, simple stuff, y'all. Just simple, man. Ain't nobody trying to raise no hell. What we trying to do is make a meal. You feel me? We're trying to make a turd. But I ain't gonna say that. My daddy would say stuff like that. And then just something simple. And you see these? These are just your roasted potatoes. Almost kind of like got a little crunch on it. Watch this. That's kind of chewy. I'm having, you do my gut. Oh, that's a little bit chewy. But that's still okay. Season fine.
It'll be kind of like a baked potato in some way. Look at it. Good. Sometimes you don't get it right, but sometimes you do. That wasn't right. Just being real with you. It's got kind of a spice to it. Basic salt and pepper. Kind of chewy. A little bit of kick to it. I got all of this going. I'm getting ready to dump some stuff in here. Look how much time I got on here. I got about 6 minutes here. Actually, it's probably a little bit longer. Because I'm going to cook. Maybe put another 5 minutes or something. At least another 2 on it. Because again, you want to make sure that you don't overcook the chicken. Because when you eat chicken breast, sometimes it's dry in the Sahara Desert, you know what I mean? And you be at restaurants, I know you do. And then you want to bring your own bottle of hot sauce. I got plenty of it. Watch this. I cook with all sorts of stuff. I got the heat level 10. I got burritos to go, Chipotle. That's who did it. And then burritos to go. They advertising them. So I may just take them. You know what? I'm gonna take this off because not that I have a problem with it, but they ain't paying me enough to do that. I'm sorry. I can't advertise if you ain't putting nothing in my bank account. You hear me? I'm taking this shit off of here. Now it says to go. Shit. Nothing against burritos, but at the end of the day, this is business, y'all. And business is about making sure that now it's like Ritos ghost sauce. Again, no free advertisement here. I think they got some good sauces over there though. And I'm gonna get ready to finish up. I got about maybe 4 minutes or so on these green beans, just easily prepared. I'm gonna fix another drink, or at least I'm gonna have my sweetheart fix it. We're gonna come back in 2 minutes and then I'll be ready to play. We'll be back. See you soon.